Have you ever wondered why 24 hours in a day never seem enough? In today's fast-paced world, students struggle to balance studies, extracurricular activities, and social media usage. Finding time to focus on academics has become harder as the workload keeps piling up. Are you also facing this challenge? Hello everyone and welcome back to Ace with Sneha. In this video, we'll discuss how effective time management can help you not only complete all your tasks but also achieve success without feeling overwhelmed. So first, let's understand what is time management. Time management is the process of directing how much time is spent on certain activities. It's all about organizing and planning how to divide your time between different activities to maximize efficiency. Students who don't follow a consistent routine often feel disorganized. Without a daily or weekly plan, it becomes harder to manage time and they may forget important deadlines or commitments. Such inconsistency leads to chaos, stress, and poor time management. Balancing studies, extracurricular activities, and career planning is one of the biggest struggles for students. Whether it's keeping up with assignments, managing sports practice, or thinking about future career options, time management has become the most essential element in one's life. This video covers some of the common challenges that busy students face and provides practical tips to overcome them. Challenge number 1. Overwhelming academic workload. Students often find themselves buried under a mountain of assignments, projects, and exams. This leads to stress, burnout, and a decline in performance. Constant academic pressure can make students feel as if they are constantly playing catch up, resulting in procrastination and poor time management. Challenge number 2. Managing extracurricular activities. Extracurricular activities, while essential for holistic growth, can easily eat into study time. Sports practice, drama rehearsals, music lessons, which were once your most loved hobbies, can become exhausting, leaving you little energy to focus on your academics. This imbalance often leads to stress and poor academic performance. Challenge number 3. Career planning pressure. As student approaches the end of high school or college, the pressure to plan for the future becomes intense. Researching career options, applying for internships, and preparing for college entrance exam can be overwhelming, often causing students to neglect their studies and extracurricular activities. Challenge number 4. Procrastination. Procrastination is one of the most common time management issues for students. Delaying tasks often leads to last-minute stress, reduced work quality, and missed deadlines. Now, procrastination can also create a cycle of guilt and frustration, making you feel even more overwhelmed. Challenge number 5. Lack of rest and recreation. Many students feel guilty about taking breaks or enjoying recreational activities because they think it takes away from study time. However, constantly working without rest and sleep can lead to excessive burnout, mental fatigue, and decreased productivity. Without downtime, students find it harder to focus on tasks, which reduces their efficiency as well. Challenge number 6. Distraction and lack of focus. In the age of smartphones, social media, and instant messaging, distractions are everywhere. Students often find themselves losing track of time scrolling through social media or engaging in non-productive activities, which cuts into their study time and hampers focus. This leads to poor productivity, incomplete tasks, missed deadlines, and wasted time. Challenge number 7. Overcommitment to social activities. Many students feel the pressure to maintain an active social life. While socializing is important, constantly going out with friends or attending every social event that you have in your locality, community, or within your school, universities can leave you little time for your study. This overcommitment leads to stress, poor grades, and lack of time for rest or personal hobbies. Challenge number 8. Unclear priorities. Many students struggle with time management because they don't have a clear understanding of what their priorities are. When everything feels equally important, students can end up juggling with their tasks without making any significant progress on any of them. This results in confusion, missed deadlines, and again, burnout. Challenge number 9, inconsistent routine. Students who don't follow a consistent routine often feel disorganized. Without a daily or weekly plan, it becomes harder to manage time, plan your goals ahead, and what you need to do today, what you need to do tomorrow, you cannot judge or you cannot decide on it. You may forget important deadlines or your commitments. This inconsistency leads to chaos, stress, and poor time management. Have you ever felt this before? Write down into comments. Challenge number 10, lack of self discipline. A lack of self discipline can lead to frequent procrastination, poor planning, and failure to follow through commitments. Students who lack discipline often find themselves wasting time or not sticking to their schedules, resulting in lower productivity. Now let's focus on how to overcome these challenges. The very first solution is prioritization. Start by listing all your tasks according to deadlines and importance. Prioritize the most critical assignment first. Then break tasks into smaller chunks. A big project can seem daunting, but if you break it into smaller tasks, it becomes more manageable. Next is use time blocks. Allocate specific times during the day to focus solely on academic work. Use a time blocking method where you focus on one task for a set period, like 30 minutes, 45 minutes, then followed by a short break. Example, when you get overwhelmed by multiple assignments, start using a simple to-do list and time blocking strategy. Each morning, get up and focus on your most important tasks for at least 30 minutes and take a 10 minutes break. Over time, this will help you reduce stress and complete tasks without cramming. For better managing extracurricular activities, set boundaries. Limit the number of extracurricular activities, only focus on the ones that you are truly passionate about and cut down on the ones that don't add value to your life. Then combine activities and studies. Utilize waiting times during practice sessions or downtime between extracurricular activities to study or review notes. Create a flexible schedule. Map out a weekly schedule where you balance schoolwork and extracurricular activities. Ensure there are dedicated times for both. To manage extracurricular activities, for example, say you are a student and also a part of the basketball team and the school band. Basketball is your main passion, and you also need good grades on your academic front too. You might find it hard to balance your extracurriculars and your studies. So, what should you do? You should create a weekly plan that can give you enough time for both basketball and brand practices and your studies as well. To overcome career planning pressure, dedicate time for career research. Set aside specific times during the week to focus on career planning. This ensures that you stay on track without letting career research take over your entire schedule. Use career counseling resources. Seek help from career counselors who can guide you on what steps to take and how to prioritize career related tasks. While planning for the future is important, don't lose sight on your current responsibilities. Career planning should be complement, not overpower. For example, Meera, a high school senior, was anxious about choosing a college and a career path. She used to spend all her free time researching universities, which made her fall behind in her studies. After talking to a counselor, she created a weekly career planning hour. With this dedicated time, she balanced her research with her schoolwork and sports. For overcoming the challenge of procrastination, you should use the 2-minute rule. If a task takes less than 2 minutes, do it immediately. This helps in getting rid of small tasks quickly and reduces the clutter. Break tasks into short sprints. Instead of working for longer hours, use the Pomodoro technique. That is, work for 25 minutes, then take a 5 minutes break. This makes large tasks feel more manageable and reduces the tendency to procrastinate. Then you should reward yourself. Set small goals and reward yourself after achieving them. For example, after finishing an hour of study, reward yourself with a 15-minute break to relax or watch your favorite show. For example, Arjun, a college student, was notorious for putting off his assignments until the last minute. Many students do so. But after implementing the Pomodoro technique, he found that working in 25 minutes block made it easier to start the task. He would finish his task early and enjoy guilt-free breaks without looming stress or unfinished work. Rest and recreation is also important in our life. You should schedule your breaks. Ensure that your daily schedule includes short breaks after every 45 to 60 minutes of study. This helps refresh your mind and improve focus. Allocate specific time for your hobbies, exercise, or socializing. Doing things you enjoy reduces stress and recharges your energy for the next study session. Ensure you get at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep. Lack of sleep can negatively affect your concentration and memory. This reduces your ability to study effectively. For example, many high achieving students used to skip breaks to study more, which led to burnout. One should often realize the importance of recreation. To overcome the challenge of distractions and lack of focus, you should set limits on your screen time, study in a distraction free environment, and use focus techniques. Use apps that block or limit access to distracting sites during your study hours. Choose a quiet study space away from any noise or distraction. Put your phone on silent or airplane mode while studying. The changes that you'll make will make you more productive and improve your mood as well. For example, many college students used to get distracted by social media during their study session. You can install a website blocker which will limit your social media use to 30 minutes a day. You will notice a significant improvement in your concentration and complete your task faster. To overcome the challenge of overcommitment to social activities, you should set social boundaries. It's okay to say no to certain social events, especially during busy academic periods. Communicate your priority with your friends. Instead of spontaneous outings, plan specific days or hours when you can meet friends. This ensures you have a dedicated time for studies and social activities. Reserve your weekends or less demanding days for social gatherings while focusing on studies during the weekdays. Many of the university students used to go out with friends every evening, right? Leaving little time for your assignments. So when you decide to limit your social outings to weekend, spend weekdays will focus on your coursework. This balance will help you manage your social life without compromising on your academics. You should try to prioritize your work and your schedule. Define your priorities. Make a list of your short term and long term goals. Identify the tasks that align most with these goals and focus on them. You can use Eisenhower matrix, which is a decision making tool that helps you categorize tasks into four categories: urgent and important, important but not urgent, urgent but not important, and neither urgent nor important. Keep a track of your progress and adjust your priorities weekly or monthly. Sometimes priorities shift and it's important to reassess. For example, many high school students used to spend hours on extracurricular activities but forget to progress in their studies. So dedicate more time in your academics and balance your extracurricular activities with your scheduling and time management. This will also improve your grades as well. Inconsistent routine can create a burden on your study time and your personal life as well. Create a consistent schedule. Develop a daily routine where you wake up and study at the same time every day. Use a planner, whether it's a physical planner or a digital one. Use a tool to plan out your week in advance. Include study time, extracurriculars, and breaks. Create daily goals for your study sessions and tasks to create a sense of accomplishment which maintains consistency. For example, many students used to study at random times and any time of the day. So you might frequently miss your deadlines if you're not following a consistent routine. You should follow whether you're studying every morning at the same time or every evening at the same time. This will make it easier for you to stay focused and complete tasks on time. A lack of self-discipline can lead to frequent procrastination, poor planning, and failure to follow through on commitments. Students who lack discipline often find themselves wasting time or not sticking to their schedules, resulting in low productivity. Set specific and clear goals. Define what you want to achieve within a day, week, or a month. Setting goals makes it easier to stay disciplined. Start small by committing to doing one difficult task each day. Over the time, build on this habit to increase self-discipline. Now, students who lack discipline often find themselves wasting time or not sticking to their schedules, resulting in lower productivity. Time management is a challenge for many students, but with the right strategies and mindset, it's possible to balance studies, extracurricular activities, and career planning. The key is to identify your challenges, understand the impact, and apply practical solutions. By addressing issues like distractions, overcommitment, procrastination, and lack of consistency, you can stay top of your responsibility. Time management is not about trying to fit into everything in one day, but making conscious choices about what's more important for the day. So the key takeaways are: prioritize your task and set clear boundaries. Break down large tasks into manageable steps. Use tools like Pomodoro technique and time blocking. Balance your study time with recreation and rest. Regularly reassess and adjust your schedule based on your priorities. With a thoughtful approach to time management, you can succeed in both academics and extracurricular activities while planning for your future career. If you have found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Till then, stay calm, stay focused, and always believe in yourself.